Hey everybody, so they just got Rachel and it looks like they're about to come back for me, so we'll see what happens. I'm so scared. I'm actually really scared. Alright, bye. It sucks. When they got Rachel, the helicopter is so close to you that like everything is blowing insanely. I mean, I feel like I've got sandpaper rubbing up against my back when they come down that close to us with this much leaves and stuff everywhere. It hurts. I've had like a bunch of rocks fall on me. This isn't fun. Alright, see you guys when I go up. Bye.
Down at the gate.
We can leave you here, or we can take you to Loma Helipad. That's up at the big towers on the far side of Irvine Lake.
That's gonna be probably too far. We can just walk down the trail from here.
It's quite a walk.
We've done it many, many times. Yeah, either way, I guess. I'll ask Heather. She knows the area a lot better than I do.
So we're here and we are in the 911 dispatch center. We just got rescued. Oh my god, look at your face.
Oh my god. Oh, we could have been on TV.
Oh my gosh. This is pretty cool. Maybe I'll be a dispatcher. So now we're waiting to...
Job. Like, my cousin Emily, she's one who trains animals. She can do anything. If she can't do this, like, oh my god.
You look like you have a beard.
Been working on it.
Been working on it? The bearded lady.
What is it?
Oh my gosh.
Take a shower.
Me too.
Twigs.
Scratch your head.
No, don't do that. You'll get it altered.
I know, I feel bad. I kind of don't want to sit in a chair. Make everything dirty.
Never ridden with me.
Maybe we should put our seatbelts
I'm
on.
telling you.
So now we're in the back of a police car.
Nah, this isn't good, huh?
You're in trouble.
This is what happens when you do bad things.
Well, you guys didn't do something bad, but I was talking to my friend, the one that just walked out of there. She was the one that was dispatching it. And I said, I bet they feel pretty dumb right now, huh? And she's like, well, they got to be thankful that they had a phone. They didn't do it at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty smart about hiking. We come out here like we were usually, but for the most part.
So how'd you get stuck somewhere where you couldn't get down from?
We thought that we would be able to get out that way. We thought that there was a path up the way we were going, and it turned out there wasn't. So we wound up just climbing up the side.
So that's pretty scary, huh?
It was
Yeah,
terrifying.
it was. The word of the day is definitely terrifying.
Well, like I said, you haven't driven with me yet.
Well, there we go. It's gonna get worse.
It's gotta get worse before it gets better, right?
I got more cut up walking out to go film you getting lifted than I did the entire day.
Oh my goodness, I got so cut up when they lifted you out, like while the helicopter came down and it was like all crazy wind and everything. Like there were all the rocks from above us were falling on top of me, and I was just like so I got
We
like
both got the rocks.
yeah, we both got the rocks, and then like it felt like
That was
sandpaper.
like breaking point for me. I was like, the whole time I was like, okay, maybe we can do this, but then as soon as there were rocks falling on me, I was like, no.
Yeah,
No.
it wasn't good.
It's definitely not good.
And I was kidding about my driving, too. I'm actually a pretty good driver, so.
I figured.
But I do tend to get a little bit aggressive, and people are scared to ride with me, so.
I ride with her.
Right here at night, God, it's beautiful.
Yeah. We come up this way a lot because my parents live up in Silverado.
Oh, okay. Where do you live?
We live down in Orange, like right at the bottom of the hill.
Yeah, if anybody asks you where you went, they call it Emergency Broadcast Bureau.
Emergency Broadcast Bureau.
Emergency Communication Bureau, ECB.
Uh-huh.
Everything, we use acronyms for everything in law enforcement, so if they ask you anybody, where'd they take you? Up to ECB.
We were rescued by ECB.
That's pretty cool. I mean, we'd rather not do that, but
Yeah.
it's cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool that it happened. Like after like you guys found us, it was just kind of like that moment of relief where it was just like, okay, we're gonna be okay, and we're gonna ride in a helicopter. Oh my gosh!
Whether you want to or not, huh?
Yeah.
Being lifted up was really scary, though.
Yeah, I've gotten the opportunity to ride in it. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty great. It was like probably one of the best and scariest moments of my life.
What time did
Just
you
like
guys get stuck
floating
up
in
there?
midair below a helicopter.
What time did you guys get stuck up there?
I don't know.
I think that the time that we like were kind of in trouble was probably around like 3:30. I don't know. I don't even know what time it is.
I don't know either.
It's a little after 6, quarter after 6.
Yeah, it was like
Yeah.
3:34 is around the time that we like needed to call.
Right. Yeah, well, you're lucky. The helicopter, they name everything, like I said, but the helicopter's called Duke.
Duke?
So, Duke got your guys' phone number, and they were right above you when they called. Otherwise, you know, us trying to call you at the gate or something, like probably wouldn't have got a hold of you.
Yeah. Nice. Well, it's cool that the the dispatch is like so close to the trails out here, that's probably how we got reception out to you guys.
Yeah, it worked out.